Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. Today we are talking about your question papers, and this is the periodical assessment first. It means PA first, and session is 2021 to 22. And this question paper is for class 6, and the subject is English. Okay, so you can see on the screen a question paper, and first you watch out the complete video and listen carefully, and after that you know how to solve your question paper. Okay, so in the first you can see your question paper divided into four parts: section A, section B, and section C and D. So first we talking about the section A, and this is the reading section. So read the passage and answer the following questions. So you can see on the screen there are a large paragraph. So first you read out, complete the paragraph, and after the reading you can see here is the given some of the option. And first statement is Cookie's grandmother house was not far from. Okay, so you can see every statement has a three options. So you have to select correct option by reading the paragraph. Okay, and second is Cookie's grandmother would narrate. So you can see here the four option: hospital stories, incident of her childhood, or spent her time in garden all by her. So you have to select appropriate option and then tick it. Okay, and fourth is in evening Koki would. So you can see here is the also given three options. So select the correct option and write down it. And the fourth is at the time of the story it appeared to be the. So which option will correct? So you have to select the correct option and then write down. And next is Cookie was enchanted by the. So which option is the will be correct? So you have to read it and then take. Okay, now next, write true and false. Okay, so first you read out the complete sentences, and you can see on your mobile screen there are five statement. So read out all the statement. If the statement is true, then write TRUE. Okay, and if the statement is false, then write FALSE. Okay, you have to write the statement, and after that make a blanks and then write true and false as a false statement. Okay, now section number B, we have to discuss about the section number B, and it is the writing skill. So you can see here the write essay on the topic. The topic is my best friend, and second is the my favorite book. So there are given two topics, so you have to select only one topic. If you select my best friend, then do not write about the my favorite book, and if you select the my favorite book, then do not write my best friend. Okay, now look the question number 3. Write a letter to your friend to thank him for a birthday gift he has sent you. So you have to write a letters to your friends. Okay, and what will be the matter of the letter? The letter is to write a thankful letter. Why? Because your friend sent you a birthday gift, so you have to write a thankful note for him. Okay, him or her. Now look, it is the question, section number C. You can see here is the misprint, so it will be the section number C, and the question is write the definition with example. So you have to see here, first you write the definition of the given topic, and after that write the example. So first is imperative sentence, second is interrogative sentence, and C, here is the C option. It will be misprint, so you have to improve it. It will be C. C is the common noun, and D will be the proper noun. So you have to write all the topic definition and also write its example. Okay, uh, now next is question number 5. fill the blanks with the opposite gender. You know about the opposite gender. If the masculine gender, then its opposite will be feminine, okay, and if the feminine word, then its opposite will be masculine. So this it's noticeable. So you have to see here, milkman. So milkman will be milkmaid, okay, sorry, uh, just like that. It is the masculine gender, then you have to write here feminine gender, okay, and here is the feminine gender, then you have to write masculine gender. And so as you have to write the opposite of impresses, tiger, countess, and bachelor, okay, that's okay. Now next, question number 6, choose the correct interrogative pronouns to fill in the blanks. You can see here the given some of the interrogative word in the brackets, so you have to select correct word from the brackets and write only one word, not both, okay, only one word. If you write which, then do not write what, okay, and if you write what, then do not write which, okay. So you can see here, blanks of these pens is yours. So which word will be used in this sentence, so you have to fill it. And second is your pen for the day, or is this bag. Now you can select, okay, you can select only one word, okay, only one word from the brackets, that is the correct, that is the proper, that is the suitable for the remaining sentences, okay. So be careful on this exercise. And now look the question number 7, add an appropriate questions tag to each of these statement, okay. You are going to the fair, add an appropriate question tag, okay. So you have to see here, there are given two sentences, and you have to tag the question, okay, tag the question. You know about that, we have to use two words in the question tag and put the question mark in the after the tag the question. So you can see here, given two statements, so you have to tag the question, and if the sentence is positive, then tag the question in negative. If the question is negative, statement is the negative, then tag the question into positive, okay. So I hope you all understand. Now look the section number D, okay. In the section number D, first is the tick the correct option, okay, it is the optional. So you have to see here, statement number A, Sarojini is writing a letter to Mrs. Naidu because. So here is the given three option. Her mother told her it was all right to do so. Second is her teacher had given her an assignment, and third is she liked Mrs. Naidu. So you have to select appropriate option, and after that write down or tick that with the right option, okay. Now the option statement number B, Swaminathan had not touched his books because. So you have to see here, there are given three option. He did not like to study, he had holiday, or the examination were over. So you have to select appropriate option, and after that tick it or write the answer, okay. Now next question number, he expected to be constructed any moment because. So you can see here is the given, it is the C option, and tick the appropriate option and write down or tick it, okay. Now look the question number 9, write the meaning of the given word, and this is the taken from the your English first, Vio Wagon constricted, okay, constricted, Averic complicated, stood up to, and cock. It is from your English first, okay. So you have to write its meaning. Now look the question number 10, answer the given question. What does Swaminathan think about the fraction, and why? Why does Sarojini stay late at home at school. What was Sarojini first assignment and what did she do to complete it and what is the pronouns? So you have to write its answer, okay, with the correct reply. And last is question number 11. Write the difference between Sarojini Naidu and Mrs. Naidu according to the chapter first. Okay, I know very well that you have to solve it, so you have to read. You already read the chapter first, Mrs. Dear Mrs. Naidu. So you have to compare the both Sarojini, a little girl, and a Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, who was the freedom fighter. Okay, and showing the comparison between in this, and you may write down more than 4 or 5 sentences in 4 or 5 sentences. Now I think this is enough for you. So thank you for the watching video. We meet in the next